Hello students, welcome to the science class. I hope you have understood the last topic, light and sources of light. Today I will teach you shadows, features of shadow, sound, noise and music. Take a ball and hang it in a dark room with the help of a string. Students, underline the word string and write its meaning thread. Now, light a torch and focus it on the ball. What do you see on the wall of room? You will find a dark patch of the ball on the wall. This dark patch is the shadow of the ball. Students, underline the word patch and write its meaning spot. Thus, the dark shape of an object made on a surface is called shadow. And definition of shadow is the dark shape of an object made on a surface is called shadow. Students, now let's discuss some features of shadow. A shadow is always made by opaque objects. Students, underline the word opaque and write its meaning objects through which light cannot pass. A shadow is always black. It does not have any color in it. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. A shadow becomes shorter as the object moves away from the source of light, because an object away from the source of light will block the less area of light, and this decreases the size of the shadow. A shadow formed in the sunlight is longer in the morning and evening and the shortest at noon. And the reason behind this is that in the morning and evening the sun rays are slanting because sun is near to horizon. Horizon means the line at which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet. Whereas at noon the sun becomes directly overhead in the sky, that is right over our head. So the sun rays fall straight on us, thus the shadow forms shorter. Students, now let's learn about sound. What do you hear when you go out? We hear different sounds like the ringing of the school bell, the blowing of horns, the rustling of leaves, the shouting of children, the barking of dogs, and the talking of people. Students, underline the word rustling and write its meaning sound of leaves. Sound is produced only when an object vibrates. Students, underline the word vibrates and write its meaning shaking. Place your fingers on the front side of your neck and then talk to your friend. Can you feel the vibrations? Students, the sound producing organ in humans is called larynx. It is placed in the throat. When we speak, air passes through the larynx. This air vibrates the vocal cords of the larynx and the sound is produced. Students, now let's discuss noise and music. Some sounds are unpleasant to hear. Students, underline the word unpleasant and write its meaning irritating. They irritate us. Such sounds are called noise, and definition of noise is irritating and unpleasant sounds. The sounds of heavy traffic, horns, loudspeakers, crackers, and people shouting together create noise pollution. And the definition of noise pollution is harmful levels of sound is called noise pollution. Noise pollution is harmful to our health. We must try to avoid noise. We should follow some good habits like speaking softly and listening to music and watching TV at low volume. Some sounds make us feel good. They are soft and pleasant to hear. Students, underline the word pleasant and write its meaning enjoyable. Such sounds are called music or musical sounds like sound of violin, sound of flute. They are very good to hear. Soft music helps us to relax. So students, today I have discussed shadows, features of shadow and sound. Kindly go through today's topic and revise these questions. Thank you.